Here with Viwe and Pascal again. Viwe, come on, say something. How do you feel?
We worked together, so answer the questions.
How do you feel about the field trip? How was your experience? The field trip.
The full trip.
Yeah, how was your experience?
Great, man.
Yeah.
Experienced new things, climbed the mountain.
Yeah.
Actually got to see what I was doing.
Yeah.
And I like have a picture of the stratigraphy and everything. So yeah, it was great.
Did you learn something new?
Yeah, obviously.
Okay.
Mapping, which
Did you have high expectation, low expectation, or was it the same expectation you had before you came here?
same expectation.
That's
yeah.
good. That's good. Tell me, how was the food? Rated from 1 to 10.
It was crab.
It was crab. Oh.
I'm actually glad that we're leaving now.
If you said you should change something on the menu, what would it be?
Last night's supper.
Last night's supper.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. So you prefer something different. Okay. What advice would you give those that are coming next year?
Gosh. Be prepared physically. You know, sunscreen, whatever. Just
Okay.
be prepared, man.
Okay. Viewer, thank you very much. Enjoy the rest of the year, and God bless. Eh? We'll catch up
Can
to
I
you.
see that?
Wait. Hey, we're here with Anthony. He was with Group 4, I believe.
3.
Group 3. Oh, okay. Anthony, tell me, it's the last day. We're all going home. How do you feel?
Bruh, I feel chowed, bruh. Chowed me nicely, bruh. This mountain, they chowed me nicely.
Is it?
Know what the fuck, bro?
Yeah. Yeah. Tell me, what did you learn? I mean, your experiences on this field trip. Did you learn anything new, or was it the same thing?
Bruh, yeah, I would say that I learned a lot here. Okay, I did learn something, you know.
Yeah.
But still, in the back of my mind, I was thinking, what the fuck am I doing here, you know?
Yeah.
What am I doing with these rocks, you know?
Yeah, bro.
What the hell, bro? What are these thoughts?
Tell me,
am I doing with this?
from 1 to 10, how would you rate the food?
Bruh,
Wait, brah, no.
-1, bro. -1.
-1. Oh, so you didn't like the food at all?
Bruh, fish.
You changed the whole menu.
Fish, bruh.
That's it.
That's all that I can say. That's all fish. You get fish for the morning, you get fish pie, you get dasi pie, you get all the kind of pie. They get the porcupines up here. So I tell the people next year, guys, you must bring your own meat because they cut the dassies, they catch it here and they put it on the pie.
Okay.
That's what I have to say.
Bradley, thank you, man. Alright, peace. Hey, my man Fritz. We had you last season, remember that?
Yeah.
So we want a piece
I'm
of you
on
this
board once
season.
more.
Yeah. Tell us. It's the end of the day. We are leaving today. It is the last day. Tell me, how do you feel right now, and what are your expectations before and now?
Definitely right now, you know, everybody has to feel some kind of a relief knowing that you're going home.
Yeah.
You know, you can't wait to just get, you know, into your normal life once again. But after everything that I've witnessed here, it's a great experience, you know. You've got to, you know, learn how to, you know, adapt yourself into certain conditions. You know? You know, besides the food, I mean, the cold and, you know, not having heaters around and you know, just the conditions that are not quite your comfortable zones, you know.
Tell me, you mentioned the word food. I mean, briefly tell us. I mean, how was the food? Rated from 1 to 10, or your experience, of course?
Well, in my personal perspective, it wasn't great. Actually, there were times where I felt like we're being treated like real peasants, if I may use the words, you know, kind of. But you know, I kind of spoke to the guys in charge, but you know, it wasn't like something that they meant to. You know, it was something that we had to just, you know, adapt. I think certain conditions like this, they treat you like that just for you to feel like.
I'm just going to talk about food.
Just for you to feel like, you know, when you get out there, the conditions that you witness are not the conditions that you thought you were going to be.
Most definitely.
They're trying to teach you how
to be a geologist.
You know, to adapt in the conditions that geologists, you know. So actually the food was not good because there were times when I had fish pie. And I've never eaten fish pie in my life before, you know?
Most definitely.
And there are things like mince and stuff. I don't eat those stuff, you know. But I had to just eat because I was taught, you know, in a young age, you know, by my late mom that whatever another person eats and does not die, you've got to eat, you know. So just kind of, you know,
Yep.
just adapt yourself to certain things. you
Hey,
know.
Fritz, I heard you mention your late mom. My condolences for that.
Thanks.
But hey, I would like you to tell us, what would you tell those that will be coming next year to this field trip? What can they look up for?
Well, definitely. Actually, you know, it would depend on first of all the conditions that they would witness at this time. Well, we were blessed, you know, just to have a day of rain, and we were wearing that wet, you know, to feel the cold. But I think when they come next year, they should get along with more warm clothes.
Most
and,
definitely.
Try to, you know, buy things that will kind of get them tight.
Yep.
No, not to release more of the air, the heat that they generate
Most
from the body.
definitely.
And on a personal note, you know, most of them won't be comfortable with the food. So I think they should come along with them, you know, the kind of food that they think they can eat, you know, because I think they'll be very disappointed when it comes to the food. So, you get what I'm saying?
Yeah. That's a capital and most important point that you put out there, and thank you very much, Fritz, for being on the Short View.
You're welcome.
We wish you all the best for the rest of the year.
So serious.
And hopefully next year, I believe we'll have another Short View because we're having another field trip, and we're looking forward to catch up to you, man.
All right, I wait for Kakaman. It's no more Robertson.
Yeah.
First of all, it was McGregor,
Yeah.
and I think we're going towards, you know, the west.
Yep.
I'm looking forward for Kakamans in 2013.
Most definitely.
No, peace.
Hey, Fritz, enjoy the rest, eh?
Peace.
Peace.